I'm Nathan Ray. This is Jamchester 2016. I've got Team Kanchester with me here. Can you let me know where you're from and what your names are?
Okay, I'm Alex. We're all from London.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Emily. Yeah.
Emily.
James.
And I'm Roger.
Roger. And what are you working on this weekend?
We'll be working on a cooperative game where one person will sit at one of our arcades and they will try to guide the other player into solving the level.
Yeah.
So I think James can talk about the emojis.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So
How we guide them.
the way you guide the other player is they're going to be staring at this light board.
Yeah.
And you communicate to them using the world's worst selection of emojis. And the game kind of is, you've got to build up a language between you through trial and error and try to get the message across that they're doing the right thing.
Yeah.
And hopefully you'll be able to guide them to the end so they can also join you on the winner's podium.
So what's this? Is this 16 by 16 or?
16 by 9 pixels.
14 by 9.
14 by 9.
14,
Yeah.
14 by 9.
14 by 9 pixels.
Low resolution.
And so what emojis even make sense in that? That's the problem that you have to solve. Yeah.
We're going to
That's
find
part of
out,
the
but
fun.
yeah, I mean, they're going to be pretty useless anyway, so it's like, yeah. Going to be a sort of tedious, farcical experience.
Sure. And how difficult are these challenges that you're setting?
It's going to be pretty simple. Like mostly kind of navigating space really through on a top-down. The game is going to be played on a top-down view with one person controlling a cell phone and the other person, controlling the character that they're watching.
Yeah. So this is like what original Grand Theft Auto kind of top-down view is.
Sort of, yeah. Like if you remember the very first ones where you had to look down. So this is what the controlling player will see.
Mm-hmm.
So the other player will sit across the room and they'll have a controller and they will only look at the light board to get the emoji information. And I'm going to be sitting here looking at what they're doing. So maybe I have to guide them from this point here to point there. So I need to sort of
forward and then up.
Yeah, and then maybe they keep going, and then they get here.
Yeah.
Maybe that's one of the solutions. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
And what are you doing here? Are you just playing with it, or are you actually doing something productive here? Looks fun what he's doing.
Well, yeah. I'm trying to put it together such that we have a scrolling camera.
So the camera moves, follows the.
Yeah. So you can see that it follows the player.
Oh yeah, just a bit there. Yeah.
We're scrolling the map. So it'll probably be a bit wider than the screen, but much taller. So this is the open source level editor that we're using.
It's not side scroll. It's you going upwards.
Yeah. So we'll try to go up.
Yeah.
But because it's pixel art, then you can't do an imperfect scaling on it. So you want to do it in powers of 2, right?
Yeah.
So then it'll probably be
I'm
a bit
saying
bigger.
I don't actually know what you mean, but
it'll be wider than the screen, so it'll probably scroll a bit left and right. But then the idea is that you have to go.
Yeah, that's good. That's it. Okay, I'll just pop round here. What are you working on there over here?
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking of the first level. So we're thinking it has to be pretty simple, basic maze, and also the UI of the person who actually sees what the player is doing. Not only do they watch the player go through the map, but they also will have their kind of mobile phone with their selection of emojis that they can throw up with just the keyboard. So yeah, just trying to think what would be the best.
So the first level is almost like a tutorial level then, just so people can understand, what they're up to.
Yeah, and then they can, it'll be nice enough that they can start to develop their own language. So we think that every two players will have sort of a different way of using the communication. So first level has to be easy, but then obviously we want to make it rewarding as well. So thinking maybe 4 different types of puzzles as they go up.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you creating your own emoji, or are you just using the standard?
No, well, because of the limitations, we've got to create our own really.
14 by 9.
14 by 9.
It's pretty limiting.
Do
Yeah.
you get colours in that 14 by 9?
No, you get 8 shades of white.
Great,
You can
great.
do gradients.
It's brightness, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
you could get a sweetie wrapper and put it over, and then you get colours.
It's not a bad idea, yeah.
No, it sounds like you've given yourself quite a challenge there to get all these things working together.
It's a bit, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, that's good.
Right, thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you later.
Thanks.
Okay, yeah.